So we need to go to the view and click on Solution Explorer. It will be display for this. For example, I'm closing Step Navigator, this all thing, but I want for the Solution Explorer. Then you can click on Solutions, it will open. And I want for the like Step Toolbox. You can click on Step Toolbox. Then for here we have the different type of like functions will be there. You want for the any one function, but I want for the LR think time. I don't know. So I want to, this means you can click on this LR think time, it will come. And otherwise you are doing for the correlation for here. So where you need to do, you can click on here, and here you need to click on for the web underscore right. See, it is came for the web break separam function. You can click on this and you need to enter for the name. I'm entering for the Jeff users section, and I'm giving for the boundaries, left boundary. I'm giving for the I'm giving for the example only. I'm giving, not giving for the proper one. Just your understanding purpose I'm giving. Okay, you need to click on this, and as same to we have the different things will be there, like save length and save offset and save to the not found, ignore redirection. So these are all arguments will be there. If you want anything argument, you can select it. Then you can click on OK. Then what will happen? See, you can observe. So automatically function it is generated. Web break separam, user section, and LB and RB. Means you want for the like do for the you are entering for the manually. It is no need for entering web break separam. You can come to here like as a view in that step toolbox. Once you can click on the step toolbox, you are able to see for the all the functions here. Which function you want, you can just click on web function, means you can click on web function. Otherwise, so I want to return for the website max HTML function for here. So when I click for the cursor and I want for that function, right? Web underscore set. So you can observe website max HTML function is there. You can click on this. You cannot add step script because script contain error. Okay, what is that error? Script parsing error. Okay. Okay, I'm remove that one because already done, right? Web break separam. Now I want to enter for this website max HTML length. So this is the default will be 256 bytes. So that is why we need to give for the like more than that. You can give for the 4 nines or 5 nines also. It will accept. Click on this. See, it is function will be generated. Means it is some manual effort will be go, and we need to do further like this. If you want which function you want, you need to like this, you can add it. Okay, got it. And same to the in that we are able to see for the snapshot. You want to see the snapshot view, and you can click on snapshot. You are able to see the snapshot. See, I want for this. You can see it will loaded for the snapshot view. Means you want to go to the here and click on snapshot, it will be generating step navigation bar. You can click on this. See, these all will be steps. Step 1, step 2. What are the steps we have? So all script will be displayed here. Okay. So again, we need to if any errors or you want for the output, you can click on output. Then output, maybe you are unable to seeing this output. Then see, it is everything is gone, but I want for the output. Then you can go to the view and click on for the output. See, it is output came. Means you miss anything, you can go to the view and you need to add it. Okay, and you want for the full screen, means you can click on the full screen also. So these all will be in the view. This is the important point for the view, because if you miss any output or step navigation or solution explorer, or you want for add for the any one functions, means you can use for the step toolbox. And otherwise you want for the snapshot view, means you can click on snapshot view. Okay, it's fine, right? Then go to the search. You want to search in this script, you want to find anything, means you need to in already we have the shortcuts also will be there. You can click on Control F. What will happen? It will search for the particular text. Otherwise, you want to replace means you can click on the Control H. So you want to replace with this, you can click on this. You need to find the text, which function you are, which is the text you are finding, and which are the like replacing. You need to give for that, and you can give for this. Okay, and this is for the click on find, and this is the this is the quick find next, and find selected, and quick and replace. So this will be same. If you want go to is there. So I want to go to the 74 line. You can give for the 74 and click on OK. See which line it is went 74. So means if you want which line you want, you need to click on this. It is by shortcut also Control plus G. I want to go to the like 51 line. I will enter 51. See, click on this. See 51 line. It's sent. Means which line we want to click on that, and it will display for that line. And if you can do for the like enhancements, means you can do it. So that is the purpose we can use for this search and go to and find pick in the design. So in the design, we are able to see for the you want to create action. So already I told, right? So you can create for here also, you can create for the action. Maybe you are unable to creating here, then you can go to here and click on action and create new action. And you need to give for the action name. And insert script. You want to add for any new step or any start transaction or end transaction, or you want to add anything, you need to click on insert and you need to insert for the particular one. Okay.
Okay.
Is a funny join. Okay. So in the design, next will be parameters. So you want to see for the parameter list, you need to click on parameter list. Then what are the parameters you are done? All parameter list will be displayed here. So shortcut also will be there. What is the shortcut? Control L. And you want for the design studio means so what are the if any dynamic value will be there. You want means you can click on this and you are able to see this all dynamic values. If you want to for the correlation, we know the process, right? Click on details and go to here and select for the boundary base and select for I can remove this and click on apply only. It will remove. After that, you need to click on apply. Then only it will be. Otherwise, same boundary will pick. And then you can click on correlate. So it is a correlation. Means what are the if any dynamic values you miss or any dynamic values will be there. You want to see means you can go to the design studio. Okay. And go to the record. So you can click on directly this button, it is going to the record. Otherwise, you can go to record and click on record also. It is go to the record window, start recording window. And you want to regenerate the script. For example, I done some changes, but I don't want for this. Then I want to go to, for example, it is auto correlation happen because I created rule. So this is the happen. But now I don't want this. What can I do means I will go to the recording options. In the recording options, I don't want for that correlation rules, and I'm clicking on this. I am uncheck this. So I am uncheck this, and I will click on OK. So now I am checked, right? Now I am doing for the regenerate. You can click on this regenerator means script starting what are the without changes, how it will be there. It will come like this. So what you need to do, you need to click on this regenerate here. Otherwise, you can go to the recording option and click on regenerate script. It will ask for the regenerate. You can click on this. See, now everything will be script will be regenerated. Now we can go here and we can observe for the. So we added which function we added? Website HTML permanent function added, and I have same the auto correlation rule I already applied for the user section. So everything will be removed. This is the fresh script. How you recorded? So everything will be recorded same like this. Okay. If we go here, click on regenerate is also same, and replay also same. And the same do when you are doing scripting, right? So don't forget, I will tell you one scenario for you guys. You can go to the script folder. So we'll go to the documents. So once you can record is completed, right? What you need to do means you already saved, assume. So this script only now only I created some create work order script. What you need to do means you need to copy this first. Okay, copy and paste it here only. Okay, this will be practice yourself, because see what you need to do means this is the original script. You can copy and keep it as a name underscore original. You can keep this and don't do any enhancements for this script, and only you can do for the already create script is there. So you can open this script and you can do for the what are the enhancements we are doing a correlation parameterization. You can do that one, because maybe you done any mistake, you want for the fresh script means they again you need to go to here, and it is a original script will be there. You are able to see for the without changes anything. Okay, got it? This process you can follow. So in organization also they are following for the, we also following same process. Okay.
We need to copy the original script.
Yes, yes. You can copy and name it as a original.
Okay.
That will be no need to do any changes. Just keep it same, and you can do for the what is the script you recorded. That script you can do for the script announcement. Okay.
Okay.
And go to recording options completed, right? And again we will go to the replay options. In the replay options, we are able to see the run. Means everything will be here also will be there. In recording options, no need to go to recording option. You need to start recording means you can click on here also, but here also will be there. But you need to know for the what are the options will be there also. You need to know, because we are going as an experience, right? So each and every point also you know. So you need to click on run means it will script will be executed. So we'll continue for the controller. For the day after tomorrow, we'll start for the controller. Mama, did you practice anything for as of now where you are in? Okay. So the script will be failed. Okay. That will be, we'll see later. Okay. This is not important for us. And you want compile means if a error point of view, you need to click on compile also will be there, and replace summary, and tools will be there. We want compare means you can click on compare and you need to compare also. And we have go to the options, and here is scripting. This option will be must you need to keep. So show runtime viewer during the replay means what will happen once you can click on replay, it will show for the window. And you want for the statistics, nothing but you are doing by giving for the transaction names. Each transaction, how much time it is taking you want means you need to give for the check for this collect replace statistics also. And going to the tools, so anything will be there. Okay. So this will be nothing but just integration means you want to open for ALM here to here means you can click on this ALM, nothing but that is also like controller only. Okay, I will explain that later also. You can click on that and you can enter for the server name and click on create means what will it connect means it will connect for the ALM. ALM nothing but application lifecycle management. And assume to the we have the load runner cloud. You want to go to the cloud means click on this, and you need to enter for login details. These all things we can go to the cloud environment. So these all will be integrations and window and help. So these are the options for in our user. And apart from this, you can see here new script and open script also we can see here also. And plus also we can add new script and existing scripts also it will display. And this is the regenerate button. So this is the regenerate button. This is for if you want to open the recording option dialog box, you can click on this directly. It will open for the recording options. See. And this is the record button. You want to click on record button means that's it. This is the compile button. Before you need to run replay. You want check for the if any errors will be there not there. You can click on this. It will show for the no errors. And this is for the run step by step. So this is I am not explained, right? So step by step nothing but so to debug the issue, but where it is the problem you want find means you need to click on for the this debug issue, run step by step. Debugging. So first you can click on continue, then it will every time you can click on continue. So it is going to the step by step login. So like this it will go. See, this is the because of this it is failing for text checkpoint. So we are doing for the autocorrelation.
Correlation.
Now again you can do for the run step by step. So you can click on F10 also, it will be debugging F10. You can click on F10. What will happen is it is a debugging also you can do for the click on F10. See now this time will be script will pause because we are done for the correlation. Then we are getting for the valid response. I think how many times it will be there? I think I given 5 times last time. Same thing it is executed. Okay. So that is for the step by step. So you can do for the step by step. Without that also what you can do means you can click on for the F10 button. F10 will be there. See, you can click on F10 one by one. You are clicking to the F10. I am clicking for the F10. So it is executing for the step by step. So debugging purpose it is used for this one. See, I'm clicking for the every time will be F10.
Okay.
So means how it is executing also you guys know. So after that it is executing this. And again it is going to the web break file. So like this it will go. So means you want debugging means you need to click on for the F10 and you can debug. How it is code is means because so when you are clicking for the right replay button, what will happen? Immediately it will went and it will execute and it will show for the fast status. But you want to see for the how it is code is picking and after where it is executing first step this is executing after that which one is executing you need to know means you can go into the step by step process is the debugging process. Okay. And this is the replay button. And again, this is the design studio means you want to see the correlation values means you click on this. And this is for the comment. You want comment this means, for example, you can select this and click on this comment. it will comment this code. Means this code will be not work. Only I commented. You want uncomment means you can select again. You can click on uncomment. So you can. So yesterday you want to comment this entire thing means you can click on this and you can click on the uncomment and uncomment. Otherwise, one more thing is there. Slash and star, and after where you are ending, you can give for the star slash. Means
Yes,
up to
yesterday
here.
we do that.
Sorry.
Yesterday we done this one.
Yeah,
the star
yesterday we
slash.
done. Means we can do for the our convenience. Which one is anything is fine. Okay.
Okay.
And this is for the start transaction and end transaction. And going to here, this is the script name. This is the actions. User init nothing but we have the 3 sections. If anyone asks in user how many sections we have means we have 3 sections. User init, action, end. So user init nothing but initial section, like login section you want keep means you can keep this login section. For example, this is the login section. So like up to here to up to login, I'm keeping for the init section. So I'm Control X and I'm go to user init, and in between this code, I'm entering for this code. And in the action part means what are the action you are performing. Like flight booking is our action. You can keep for the flight booking, and any transaction will be there, right? Like a sign up. So you need to this end transaction you can keep for the like Control X and end transaction for here. End transaction here. So you can means we have the how many sections in user means we have 3 sections: user init, action, and user end. User init means nothing but it is the initial section like launch and login section. We can keep that point. And the action part means what is the action part? What is our business flow? You are keeping for that business flow. You can keep for action part. User end part means end part. For example, you are executing for the test. Okay, 5 times you are executing. Then what will happen means so login will be execute only 5 times, but this action will be execute means how much time you are executing. For example, you are executing 5 minutes. It will be continue flight booking only. It is happen means only login will happen only 5 times, and log out also it is happen for the 5 times. So that is point of view we need to use for this code like this. Okay. Otherwise, you want action part you want run for the 5 times means already I told, right? You can go here and go to the recording options. So not recording option, runtime settings. Go to runtime settings. Here will be I'm giving only for
Number of
iteration, and for action is there, right? Run. So I'm giving for this will be 5 times. Means what happened? Execution will happen only 2 times, but our test will be
5 times.
execute for the 5 times. Now we can observe that. You can runtime viewer also you can observe it's a login and flight booking, and so it is not going to the login page. You can observe.
Yes.
It is going. So finally it is ended. See, now we can go. See, now you can observe here also. Login, how many times it happened?
1 time.
1 time only.
1 time.
Click on flights. This will be how many times happen? 5 times. Sign up,
5
how many times happen? Means, so every time no need login. One user, it is login 1 time only. But our transaction we need to do for the business flow 5 times, 100 times means we can give for the code like this. So how we are done for this blacks concept, right? Same like this we are doing for here also. Okay. Got it, right?
Yes.
So, and how many sections we have? User init, action, end. User
And-
init means initial section, action part,
Initial.
business flow we can record, and user end means end part,
And
like
the-
logout. And after that, extract files will be there. This is the which purpose we can use means we want to call any functions for globally means we can use for this one. Okay. And runtime settings means these all will be runtime settings. I will explain for the in controller one by one everyone. And parameters means what are the values you have done, everything will display. And recording report means
Okay.
what are the recording report once your record is completed, it will show for the everything here. You can observe here and see, you can click on here. Total will be text HTML 60% will happen. So everything will be displayed. HTTP status code 200. 200 means what? Successfully request sent received. And replay summary means is the results one. So this is the entire view user. We are finished for the today for the view user. Anyone have any doubts? Mohammed?
Sir,
You have any doubts? You understand or not? Today class.
I understand today class. Before 2-3 classes, I will not listen, sir. I will
Which
listen.
class you are not understand?
Sir, 3 classes I will not.
So you are able
Listen.
to do correlation? You are able to doing correlation?
Parameter.
See, you can only 2 is enough. You want for scripting point of view, correlation parameterization very important. So parameterization also very simple. Correlation will be difficult. Okay. So you can go through the recording there, right? Recording sections. You can go there.
Okay, sir.
You can look on that, and I will assign one person to you Sunday, and they will give
Okay.
for the some like how to do for the correlation. This will be explained. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet for Sunday, not Sunday, Saturday. Tomorrow will be no class. I am going to the my village. Okay, I have some marriage will be there. Okay, I'll catch up in Monday.